I like roof cargo carriers, and I wanted to get one on an old Explorer that I have. So on eBay there's a whole lot of choices. This was the heaviest one that I could see. This rack can hold 250 pounds. Of course that's dependent on the strength of your rails, but this one looked beefier than a lot of the other ones. So 115 bucks with free shipping. Got here in about a week. So we're going to open this up and put it on an 03 Explorer. There's the cargo carrier. There were no instructions, but it's pretty self-explanatory. 4 bolts hold the 2 pieces together, and then the clamps over there to hold down onto the crossbars. Measures about 48 inches long, front to back, and about 40 inches wide. Pretty well built. Don't see any big problems. Let's get this up on the roof. That's all installed. I really like the look of this. Gives the truck, gives the Explorer a whole different feel. Instead of mounting these to the crossbars, I used the actual rails. You give it some more support because it was long enough. And it's really pinched down there. It's nice and tight, and the whole truck can move. And it's not going anywhere. 115 bucks, hard to beat. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Thanks for taking a look.